Notion and Taskade both bring strong productivity features to the table, but their approaches differ in key ways. Notion is often seen as an all-in-one productivity powerhouse, giving users the ability to combine note-taking, project management, wikis, and databases in a single platform. This flexibility makes it extremely valuable for people or teams who want to build custom workflows, knowledge bases, or even full project management systems tailored to their specific needs. However, that flexibility also means Notion can take time to set up, and its complexity might overwhelm users who simply need a straightforward tool to manage tasks. It's a platform best suited for those who like structure, scalability, and depth, especially when handling long-term projects or knowledge management. Taskade, meanwhile, is built around speed, simplicity, and collaboration. Its interface emphasizes instant productivity with ready-to-use task lists, boards, and mind maps, along with built-in real-time chat and video features that make teamwork more fluid. Unlike Notion, Taskade doesn't require much configuration, so teams can jump right into planning and executing projects without a steep learning curve. It's lighter, more intuitive, and better for people who prefer to focus on task tracking and collaboration over building complex workflows. While it doesn't match Notion's depth in databases or documentation, it shines when quick coordination and task execution are the main priorities. In summary, Notion is the stronger choice for users who need a highly customizable, feature-rich hub for both documentation and project tracking, while Taskade is more appealing to those who value simplicity, real-time collaboration, and fast setup. Choosing between them depends on whether you prefer the flexibility of building a structured system with Notion or the ease of managing tasks and collaborating instantly with Taskade.